What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So today we are checking out the ASUS Vivobook 14 and this is a laptop designed for students, working professionals and everyday users who wants a lightweight machine with modern hardware and useful features. See, we spent a lot of time on this laptop and in this video we'll talk everything about it. Design, display, keyboard, ports, performance and everything else this laptop has to offer. First, let's start with the design itself. The first thing that caught my attention is the platinum gold color. Thankfully, it doesn't look flashy or overly golden. Instead, it has a soft gold finish that gives the laptop a clean and premium appearance. ASUS has also kept the overall design simple and professional. The lid features minimal branding, which I personally prefer over loud design. Whether you're carrying this to college, office or coffee shop, it looks right at home. The laptop weighs around 1.46 kg, making it easy to carry around throughout the day. And the slim profile also helps it to fit comfortably inside the backpack without taking much of space. ASUS is also offering a military-grade durability certification, which should provide some extra confidence for users who travel frequently or carry their laptops every day. Now moving on to the hinge, I was genuinely impressed with that. The hinge feels solid and well built, and the display can open all the way to 180 degrees. This becomes useful when you're sharing content with someone sitting across from you. Another nice detail is that you can lift the lid using just a single finger. It's a small thing, but it says a lot about the overall build quality and the balance of the laptop. Now let's talk about the display. So the Vivobook 14 comes with 14-inch WUXGA display featuring a resolution of 1920 x 1200 pixels. One thing I really appreciate here is the 16:10 aspect ratio. Means less scrolling while reading documents, browsing website, working on spreadsheet or attending online classes. The display offers up to 300 nits of brightness and comes with an anti-glare coating. During everyday usage, this should help reduce reflection and make viewing more comfortable in bright environment. The side bezels are reasonably slim. This helps the laptop look modern and compact. Now the display is perfectly suitable for productivity, content consumption and general use. There's one thing worth mentioning. If you're a professional creator who works with color sensitive tasks such as professional photo editing, graphic design or color grading, the color coverage may not be that sufficient for that level of work. See, this is a clearly productivity focused display rather than creator focused display, and that's completely fine considering the targeted audience. Moving on to the keyboard and trackpad, the keyboard layout feels comfortable and well spaced. Even though this is a compact 14-inch laptop, ASUS has done a good job utilizing the available space. The black keyboard contrasts nicely with the platinum gold body, giving the laptop premium look while also making the keys easier to identify. ASUS has also included a dedicated cockpit key, with AI features becoming a bigger part of Windows. Having quick access to Microsoft Cockpit is definitely a welcome addition. Whether you are writing documents, responding to mails, attending online classes or working on presentation, the keyboard appears to design for long hours of usage. The laptop also comes with a large trackpad that gives you plenty of space for gestures, scrolling and daily navigation. Now let's check out the connectivity options on this laptop. Another thing which I liked here is the ASUS haven't sacrificed ports to achieve slim design. Two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port with power delivery and display output support, one HDMI port and 3.5mm headphone jack. This is actually a very practical selection for daily users. You can connect a monitor, external storage, mouse, headphones and even charge the laptop through Type-C without constantly looking for an adapter or dongles. For wireless connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, which should provide reliable performance for daily usage. Now let's talk about the camera and audio experience. See, ASUS has equipped the laptop with a full HD IR camera along with the Windows Hello support. This means you can unlock the laptop simply by looking at it, which is both faster and more convenient than typing the password every time. The laptop also includes an AI camera feature and a physical privacy shutter, which personally I always appreciate privacy shutter because they provide peace of mind when the camera isn't being used. For meeting, online classes and video calls, ASUS have also included an array microphone setup. Audio is also good enough. During my initial usage, speakers sounded loud enough for watching videos, attending online classes and joining meetings without needing an external speaker. The overall audio experience seems perfectly suitable for everyday usage. Moving on to the performance part, the laptop is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 5 325 processor. It features 8 core and can boost up to 4.5 GHz. The laptop also has a dedicated AI engine that helps speed up AI related tasks and features in Windows. ASUS claim it can handle up to 47 TOPS of AI performance, which basically means it has enough AI processing power to support newer AI features and future software updates. For memory, ASUS has included a 16GB DDR5 RAM. What I really like here is that ASUS has also provided an extra RAM slot, which means users can upgrade the memory later if they want more performance in future. Storage comes in the form of fast 512GB SSD, which provides quick boot time, faster application loading and and overall responsive experience. Graphics are handled by Intel integrated graphics. So this is not a gaming focused laptop. However, the web browsing, office work, online classes, multitasking, presentation, streaming and light creativity tasks, the hardware handles them easily. Now coming to the battery life, the laptop packs a 42-watt battery and support Type-C charging. And I've been getting somewhere around 6 to 7 hours of battery backup in my regular usage. Inside the box, ASUS has also included a 65-watt USB Type-C charger, which is a compact and easy to carry. The convenience of the Type-C charging is something many users will appreciate because it allows you to travel with fewer chargers and accessories. Talking about the box content, ASUS have included the laptop itself, the 65-watt Type-C adapter, charging cable, documentation and warranty information. So after spending time with the ASUS Vivobook 14, it feels like a laptop that understands exactly what it wants to be. It's not trying to compete with the gaming laptops and it's not even pretending to be an ultra-premium flagship machine. Instead, ASUS have focused on delivering a balanced package with a lightweight design, practical port selection, a productivity-friendly 16:10 display, modern Intel Core Ultra hardware, AI-ready features, upgrade flexibility, and a clean professional look. So overall, ASUS Vivobook 14 leaves a positive impression and it looks like a solid option for student, professional, and everyday user looking for a lightweight and practical laptop. And if you guys have any kind of questions related to this laptop, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.